Hey, Spider Wayne here, and just in time for the holidays, I've got the Anki Overdrive battling race car system, and we're going to get into it right now. So there's the fog, dry ice, and hot water. And Mill was pushing it through. Weren't you, Mill?
I'm the fog girl.
This Anki Overdrive kit, it's fun, a lot of fun. I bought extra track, bought extra cars, bought an extra truck. It's a lot of fun. So if you can get your hands on one, get your hands on one. A lot of fun. Thanks, Anki, for sending it to me. So one of the things that makes the Anki Overdrive different and unique is that to play the game, you need to install an app on your phone, and then you can control the cars on the track. I'll show you what I mean. The app will be available through Amazon, the Apple App Store, and Google Play. I'm using it on my Apple iPhone. For this example, I'm going to pick multiplayer. Then I'm going to create a game, and I'm going to pick open play, one shot, and then I'm going to select my vehicle. And for now, my favorite is the Skull. Once you pick your car, now you have to pick either a commander or a player to play against. If you're playing against the machine, you'll want to pick commander, which in this case is what I'm going to do.
Oh yeah, this one suits me just fine.
I got myself a sweet little ride.
Place vehicles on track and tap begin scan.
At this point, you take the cars off the charger and put them on the track. The cars will then go around the track, scanning the layout, learning the lay of the track, and then once they're done, they'll line up at the starting position and the race will begin.
Track scanning complete. Battle. Disable opponents 5 times to win. Battle begins in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, on the left side of the screen you have your accelerator, below that you have the brake, to the right of that you have a pause button, and in the upper right hand corner you have your weapon of choice. And to steer it, all you do is hold your phone like a steering wheel and turn it right and left like you would in a car. So I have the Anki Overdrive system. I'm going to open up the box. I'm going to show you first on the box. It says it's for ages 8 and older. Comes with 2 supercars, 4 straight tracks, 6 curved tracks, 2 riser pieces, a platform for 4 cars, even though it only comes with 2, and a tire cleaner. Before I open it up, I want to show you that I did drive this and I liked it so much that I got 1, 2, 3 more cars. A lot of fun. So I'm going to open it up and show you what it comes with now. Here's the 2 cars it comes with. This one, I forget what it's called, but it says Skull on it and Ground Shock. Let's see here. This is the box that has the risers, the tire cleaners that you just open and roll around. It's some sticky surface that you just roll the tires on to get them clean again. And this is the 4-port charger for 4 cars. And this is a box of extra power connectors in case you travel, and their power plug. And the bottom part of the box has the curved track and the straight track, and it connects through magnets. So there's a lot of little magnets on the track, and you just simply put them together and that's it. So one other thing I did was I bought some extra pieces for the track. I wound up getting 2 boxes with 2 each of the straight track in each box. So there's 4 straight pieces of track here. And I bought 2 boxes of the curved. So there's 4 curved here. So I'm going to try to make a bigger track tonight and see how that goes. And so right now I'm going to do a quick overview on the website. Okay, so now we're on the Anki Overdrive website. This is a great resource website for all the information you may need to know about the Anki Overdrive race car set, their super trucks, their super cars, their track builder. Everything's here. Lots of good information. I'm going to go to supercars and click on learn more. Here's the 4 cars that they offer. You can go to super trucks. There's the trucks they offer. Here's some tracks, accessories. But I'm going to go back over here to the supercars and click on one of them to show you the information that they have on each car that can help you decide what car you want to grab to beat your opponent. So go to product details, and for the Guardian, it's got it shows the weapons: Sonic Beam, Sonic Blast, Scramble Mine. Down below shows you the Guardian's strengths, and you can compare to other cars. This is really, really helpful. A lot of fun. And one more time, the back up here on the weapons, of course, if you click on each one, it shows you what that weapon does. So like the Sonic Beam fires a band of ultra high frequency energy waves directly in front of the Guardian. While the beam is hitting an opponent, it causes damage the longer it stays centered on the target. So if you go to, say, another car, we'll go back here and pick a different car like Thermo, and you'll see different weapons, different strengths, lots of fun. I'm going to come back here to the home page and pick next for you the track builder. This is probably the best part of this site for me. I like it because you can pick tracks that they've already designed. Say like this one right here I like a lot. And then once you bring it up, you can move it around. You can zoom in and out. You can move parts, but you can zoom in and out. And you can add pieces, move it around like I said before. You can start a new track. Start from scratch. And you just throw the tracks down on here. And next thing you know, you got yourself a whole new layout. So I'm not going to build a whole track, a whole set for you. But you get the idea. So anyone that's interested in this Anki Overdrive set, come to this website, check it out. Lots of great information. Watch out. Oh! Okay, I'm disabling somebody. I'm going to try. Ooh, I'm shooting the green car. Oh, no! Oh, I see. I disabled that car.
Oh, you disabled me.
I shot it.